What's up, guys? We are back with another first impressions review here, and we have the Bishop Power Wand. So I have had the Bishop Packer for some time. Absolutely love that machine, and today came in the Power Wand. And this is my first impressions video for it. Let me just adjust this. Sorry about that. And I literally just opened it and am checking it out with you guys here. Let's turn it on and see if there's any power. Yep. Nice. See if we can get that to focus. Oh yeah. Real nice. Let's turn that battery off. You do get two batteries. You get the larger battery and the shorty battery. Ooh, this is nice. The packaging is very nice. You get the RCA connector. Nice. I must say that I'm very impressed so far. And I'm more than sure that this machine will run very similar, if not exactly the same, as the current Packer. Of course, I did get the Packer Power Wand. That's probably my favorite machine from Bishop. I love these Bishop Disposable Grips. I'm pretty sure that they fit without an issue. Yep, check that out. That's badass. Look at that. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna be using it today, and yeah. The charger is exactly the same as what I already have for my Critical Connect Shorty batteries. And I do have a Critical Connect foot switch that I got with the Shorty batteries. I did do a pretty quick review on those, and I'm going to definitely drop a review again. This is also magnetic. It's pretty much the same base that they offer for their current Critical Connect batteries. But this is a dope collab with Bishop Rotary and Critical Tattoo Supply, and I am very, very pleased with the way that this came. Just look at that. That is awesome. I mean, the size of this compared to, let's say, the Stigma Force or the FK Irons EXO or the Cheyenne Unlimited, it is smaller than all of them. The Ejecta Flight X1, yeah. The Scorpion, although the Scorpion X2 is a little bit weird with the battery pack. Still love the machine though. This is my Vlad Irons Ultron pen, the Numa 4. Yeah. So we're gonna give this one a go today, and we will definitely be back with a full review, but so far it is super dope. I love the Power Wand engraving right there. That is nice. And this top just spins. It's really, really, just the movement and the feeling of how it moves is just super nice. It's really It's sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna come apart at all. Like that battery pack is on there, and it's not coming off. But it's very easy to pop off and very easy to pop on. And you can spin it around while you're working. Of course, you know, you're obviously gonna bag the machine. I pretty much just use like these type of pen machine bags. So let's try it out right now. Why not? Let's see how we're going. Oh, look at that. Super easy to bag, guys. Wow. Boom. There you go. You're ready to rock within 3 seconds. Like literally. Especially if you're using the Bishop Disposable Grips. And these are the 2-inch ones, and I love these. You know? Put a little piece of tape right there and you're ready to tattoo. There you go. Simple as that. So easy. So yeah, so far this is super awesome. I'm very impressed with the packaging. As always, Bishop Rotary has some of the highest standards in the tattoo industry. I think maybe one of the first tattoo machines that I reviewed on my channel was the Bishop Phantom, and I had an orange one, which nobody even had, and it was a prototype. So, and that machine was pretty dope, for real. So I'm very pleasantly surprised with this power wand right now. Yeah, a lot more coming soon. So yeah, guys, that is the first impressions and unboxing of the power wand. I hope you guys enjoy. Catch me on the next one.